Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teachnology. As a teacher, have you ever wondered while presenting a PPT or showing a PDF or a Word document during face-to-face class or an online class using a projector, you need to point out at certain things, highlight certain areas, zoom in certain area of the screen, draw a rectangle, an ellipse, a straight line, an arrow, so that your audience or your students understand the concepts better? If that is the case, this tutorial is for you. In this video, you will learn about a simple software named Zoomit, which helps us teachers do all the things mentioned with simple solutions. You can download the application from this link. The link is left in the description box. You can download and install the application. I have already installed the application and I am opening the application for you. The application sits here. If you click the application, it opens several options. I'll explain these options in the next slides. It has zoom option, live zoom, draw, type, and break. You don't have to meddle with the options here. They are by default. There are certain shortcuts. Let us go to the next slide to know about the shortcuts. The first mode that you see in Zoomit app is the zoom mode. The zoom mode is very simple. If you want to zoom the screen, just click Ctrl+1. You can zoom in. If you want to zoom in further, simply press the up key in the keyboard. If you want to zoom out, press down key. That is pretty basic. This is the first mode that you get in Zoomit application, zoom mode, Ctrl+1. You can zoom, up key, zoom in further, down key, zooming for zooming out. If you want to exit any mode, simply click escape, or simply click the same shortcut Ctrl+1 for exiting zoom mode. The next mode that you get with Zoomit app is drawing mode. Sorry, I have typed it wrongly. This is drawing mode. To begin drawing during a presentation in a PPT or a PDF or a Word document, you need to press Ctrl+2. If you press Ctrl+2, what you see here, you see a small dot. This small dot helps you draw lines in the PPT. Okay, you can draw lines in the PPT using this dot. If you want to change the color of the line, you can use the shortcuts, or for red color, the pen is already in red color. If you want blue color pen, you can click B. So now the color is changed to B. If you want yellow color pen, press Y, the color is changed. If you want green color, you can do that by clicking G. If you want to center the pointer, you can simply press space and the pointer comes to the center. The other option is to draw a straight line. To draw a straight line, keep clicking Shift and use the mouse button. You can draw a straight line. Okay. If you want to draw a rectangle, keep pressing Ctrl and use the mouse button. You can draw a rectangle. If you want to draw an ellipse or a circle, you can keep pressing Tab button and use the mouse button. You can draw a circle, you can draw an ellipse. If you want to draw an arrow, keep pressing Shift plus Ctrl and use the mouse button. You can draw an arrow. If you want to erase all the drawings, simply press Escape. So this is drawing mode. You can get into drawing mode using the shortcut Ctrl plus 2. If you want to increase the line and pointer size, if you are not happy with the width of the line, you can increase or decrease the pointer width by pressing Ctrl plus up button. If you want to decrease, see, I have increased the pointer size. If you want to decrease, press Ctrl plus down. See? Okay. So that is for increasing or decreasing line or pointer size. If you want to delete the most recent drawing that you have drawn on the screen, simply press Ctrl Z. If you want to erase all the drawings, press E. If you want to display white background and nothing else while you are in drawing mode, press W. The screen goes white. If you want to have black screen, simply press K, black. So this, this is just like a blackboard. You can draw. Okay, press Escape and then it takes you back. Now, the other available modes that you have in this application are if you want to show to your students certain timer of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you can change it in the options. Simply press Ctrl 3 and it displays 10-minute by default timer. If you press Escape, it goes back. Another most important feature of this application is live zoom mode. With live zoom mode, you can interact with the application while being zoomed in. You can interact with the application. I'll open another window and I'll show you. See, I have opened the window. When you are in zoom mode, you cannot interact with the options that you see on screen. See, you cannot interact. Mouse pointer is not shown. But if you go to live zoom mode, you can interact with the objects on screen using your mouse pointer. That is the difference between zoom mode and live zoom mode. So I think I have helped you with many things that you want to do while making a presentation, during an online class, zooming out, zooming in, draw a rectangle on screen, an ellipse on screen, drawing an arrow on screen, draw a straight line on screen. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more such videos.